In this video, I'm going to show you how to start earning passive income online promoting ClickBank products. And I'm going to show you how to do this in conjunction with YouTube. And don't worry, this is an absolutely free strategy that you can get started with as a complete beginner. And if you like this type of content, make sure to check out the other videos on the channel. You would definitely find them interesting. So moving on to today's video, the first thing you want to do is to head over to YouTube, and that means you must already have a ClickBank account. And if you don't have ClickBank account or it's not available in your country, you can use other platforms like digistore24.com, or you can use another platform called Warrior Plus. So these are affiliate network that you can use as an alternative if you don't have a ClickBank account. So once you have your account created, you want to head over to YouTube and you want to pick a niche. So I'm going to be taking the AI niche as an example. So all you need to do is to type in whatever niche you want to use on YouTube search bar and you want to click on search. Also, you need to install a plugin called vidIQ. And to get this plugin, all you need to do is to go over to Google and you want to type in vidIQ Chrome extension. So once you do this, you'll be able to download this tool for absolutely free. Okay, so once you have it downloaded and you type in any niche in the search bar of YouTube, you are going to see other related keywords and you are going to see competitive this niche is. So after typing in AI, as you can see right here, this keyword is very competitive. As you can see right here, although it has a lot of traffic, you can see the competition is quite high. So if you scroll down, you are going to see other related keywords that you can use. As you can see right here, top related opportunities. So these are other keywords that you can target aside from the main keyword. I hope that makes sense. So now if we take generative AI as an example, so if I come over here and I copy that keyword and paste it on YouTube. So if I scroll down here, you can see it gets 70 out of 100 score. And you can see the competition here is very low. And also it gets a high volume of traffic as well. So these are the type of keywords and niches you want to target using this strategy that I personally use and I'm sharing with you for absolutely free. So once you found a niche you want to use, all you need to do is to go back to ClickBank and you want to grab a product that's going to appeal to the audience of whatever niche you decide to go with. So since we are using an AI niche, you want to go over to ClickBank and you want to type in AI. So once you type in AI here, you want to click on search. By doing this, this is going to filter only AI related products that are available on ClickBank. You can see the first one right here, AI Business Builder. You can see this product is going to pay you $37.64 for every single sale you bring to this product. And you also get $30 in recurring commission as long as people continue using this product. So this is an amazing choice to use for this strategy. So if you scroll down, you are going to see other related products that you can use as well. You can see like this one here is going to pay you $285 for every single sale you make. And you can see right here, you also get $200 every single month as long as people continue using this product right here. And I'm going to take this product here as an example because it's not super expensive and that means it's easier to get sales. So here, as you can see, this product is going to help people build landing pages, ads, marketing copy, graphics, promo video, logos, voiceover, etc. in just 45 seconds. So once you've chosen any product you want to go with, all you need to do is to click on this link to view the landing page of the product. So as you can see right here, this is the landing page of this product. Just as mentioned on the description of the product, you can see it helps people create landing pages, marketing copy, videos, voiceovers, logos, other materials in just less than 45 seconds. The next step is to screenshot this page right here. Okay, so all you just need to do is to grab your snipping tool on your device and you want to screenshot this page. So once I screenshot this section, you want to make sure to save it to your device. So once you do that, then you want to head over to this platform called Write.ly. So this platform allows you to run free ads on any link of your choice. So all you need to do is to sign up to Write.ly and you'll be able to create an account for free, although they have a paid feature, but you can get started with a trial version. So once you create your account, you want to scroll down to this section that says create new ad. So once you click on that, you want to give your ad a name. So once you do that, you want to click on add. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can design your ad. So once you come over to this page, you want to make sure to select this image option. So once you do that, you want to select how long before your ad shows up when people click on the link. So I usually set this to 3 or 4 seconds. So once you set this to 3 or 4 seconds, then you want to upload the image you just screenshot. So you want to click on upload. So once you upload that image, as you can see, this is the screenshotted image right here. And now for this section that says latest tweets, you want to scroll down here. So you want to change this section to something like help me make money with AI. And now you want to scroll down to this section that says powered by, and you want to change this. Click here to get access. And now the final thing for this section that says button link, you want to go back to your ClickBank account and you want to click on this promote button. So once you click on that, as you can see, this is your affiliate link, and all you need to do is to copy this link. Then you want to go back to this software and you want to paste in the link right here. So you want to paste in the link here as well. So now, as you can see, everything is done. So once you're done and everything looks good, all you just need to do from here is to click on done. So now you want to come back to YouTube and you want to change this keyword to something like make money with generative AI. So once you do this, you're going to see a lot of videos right here that you can use for this strategy. As you can see, this one right here, make passive income with AI generated videos. So all you just need to do from here is to copy the link to this video. So once you click on the video, all you need to do is to come over to the share section and you want to copy the link to this video. So once you copy this video, you want to go back to write.ly and you want to paste in the link to the video right here. And you want to click on this section. You want to click on the name of the link you just created. All right, so once you do that, you want to click on this create link with add. So once you do this, you want to copy this link. And now if I paste this link in a new tab, so once the page opens up, it's going to start playing the video. And after 3 seconds, it's going to pop up this image right here. Okay, so once they click on this, it's going to bring them to this page. As you can see, this is also a video talking more about this product and how they can make money using this product. So if they purchase this product, you make $37. It's that simple. So now the final step is driving traffic, and to drive traffic, I'm going to show you how to use Canva as a landing page and start earning money as fast as possible. So once you come over to canva.com, which is absolutely free to use as well, you want to scroll down to this section that says website. So once you click on this website, it's going to show you a lot of templates that you can use to start creating landing pages. As you can see the templates right here, you want to click on this section that says see all. So once you click on that, it's going to show you all the available templates on canva.com that you can use. As you can see, over 800 templates are available to use. So I'm going to take this template here as an example. So I'm going to click on this. So now once you click on any template of your choice, you want to click on customize this template. And now what you want to do from here, you want to delete the rest of these pages. So once you delete all the pages, you want to use only one of these pages. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. So what you are going to do from here is to go back and grab the thumbnail of that YouTube video. So once you come back to the video, you want to click on the share button and you want to copy the link to this video again. And once you copy the link, you want to head over to Google and you want to type in thumbnail downloader. Then you want to click on the first link. So once you click on this link, you want to paste in the YouTube video link and you want to click on get thumbnail. As you can see, you are going to see the thumbnail of the video, and all you need to do is to download this thumbnail. So once you download the thumbnail, you want to drop it and paste it right here. So once you paste in the image like this, so once you do this, you want to come over to the element section and you want to type in play button. So you are going to see a lot of play button thumbnail you can use. There are free ones and there are paid ones that you can use as well. So you want to scroll down and you want to use any of these buttons. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. So you want to paste in the play button, something like this. All right, so once people come over to this page and they see this play button, they will assume this is a video that they have to watch to learn more about this landing page. Now you want to change this text. So you want to use a powerful call to action like earn big with AI today. This is going to captivate a lot of people's attention to want to check out this link right here. This is where you want to paste in your write.ly link. So once you copy your link from your account, all you just need to do is to paste in the link and in this learn more button. So you want to right click on this and you want to click on this section that says link. So this is where you want to paste in your link and you want to click on done. So this is all you need to do to create a very simple landing page. And for this section that says Kinetric, you want to change this to AI money. So once you do this, this is all you need to do to create a very captivating landing page right here. And once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on publish website. So once you do this from here, you want to select this free domain. But if you have a custom domain or you want to purchase a domain, you can definitely do that. But for most people, you want to use this free domain and you want to click on continue. So once you do this, everything looks good. And from here, you want to click on publish page. So all you need to do from here is to copy your landing page link and this is the link you will be directing traffic to. And now to drive traffic, you can use platforms like Quora, and all you just need to do is to go over to the search section and type in keywords like make money with AI. So once you type this on Quora, you are going to see a lot of people who are interested in making money with AI. As you can see, ChatGTP right here. You can see this another question: what is the best way to make money with AI? You can see how can you make money with the current state of AI. As you can see, these are questions people are asking relating this niche, that all you just need to do is to provide a short answer and tell them the benefits of using this product. As you can see, it allows them create landing pages, marketing copy, graphics, email swipe, videos in less than 45 seconds. And this is a powerful advantage because business owners can scale their businesses using this tool to create content in less than a minute. So this is a very big advantage for people who are looking to scale their businesses using AI. So these are some of the benefits you want to list out when answering these questions. And I can assure you, if you answer 5 to 10 questions every single day, you are definitely going to get a lot of traffic to this landing page, and a lot of people are going to click on this learn more button, and they will be taken to this page where they can purchase these products and you earn money. So you can repeat this same strategy with other niches on clickbank.com. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.